Hey, dispatch from the yurt. Very excited for today. We're going to do our first, we're going to inoculate our first mushroom logs. We're starting with shiitake. We got some plug spawn from North Spore Mushroom Company, which is over in Maine. We got the 100 count little bag of plugs. They inoculate little dowels that then you drill holes into the logs, hammer them in, seal them with wax, and wait for shiitake about a year. So looking forward, we're gonna have to exercise patience. But yeah, so got this bag, and a week or two ago cut these beech logs from a tree, and I mean that's too many. We only got 100 count, so we'll probably only do 1 or 2 logs. And so the next step is to drill some holes. Alright, so now the plugs are all hammered into the log, and I'm just warming up some of the wax that I also got from North Spore in a cast iron. Okay, so now all the plugs are in the holes, and now we're just going to seal it up with the wax that I got from North Spore. They recommend keeping it warm in a crock pot, but we're off the grid, so can't run a crock pot. So I warmed it up in a little cast iron, which I assumed would be better because the cast iron will hold the heat, keep the wax in liquid form. And here we go. All right, and we're done. We have that 100 count of plug spawn gave us this one beech log, which we're putting under, leaned up against a nice poplar, underneath a bunch of evergreens. That was it. It was easy enough. Recommend North Spore. Dispatch over.